AWT. Army Welfare Trust was established in 1971. Having an asset base of over rupees 30 billion makes it a leading business group of Pakistan today. Having interests in finance, industry, agriculture, and the services sectors. AWT's diversified portfolio includes Askari Bank Limited, which commenced its operations in 1992. It is considered as one of the leading banking sector entities, having a nationwide network of over 200 branches and an offshore unit in Bahrain. Askari Leasing Limited is operative since 1993. It is the pioneer in car leasing and the second largest leasing company of Pakistan in terms of business volume. Askari General Insurance Company Limited is underwrote a gross premium in excess of rupees 1 billion in 2008, which makes it one of the top 5 general insurance companies of Pakistan. Business activities of Askari Aviation Limited include transportation of Pakistan Army UN troops around the world, charter services of helicopters, safari to the highest peaks in the world, rescue services up to 15,000 feet, cargo and ground handling services. MAL Pakistan started off in 1996 as a joint venture company between Army Welfare Trust and Axon Mobil Corporation. It was formerly known as Mobil Askari Lubricants Limited. Army Welfare Trust acquired 100% of its shares in 2007. Askari Guards was raised in 1996 and has a total strength of 4,500 guards at the moment. Askari Sugar Mill is operating since 1984 in District Badin of Sindh Province and has a crushing capacity of 3,400 tons per day. AWT has 3 farms having a holding of over 15,000 acres. These farms are located in the most productive agricultural belt of Punjab. Askari Seeds is in the business of providing quality seeds of wheat and paddy to the market. Askari CNG was launched in 2002. 25 of its CNG stations are already operating across Pakistan, whereas another 7 are expected to be in operation by the end of this year. Askari Shoe Project was established in 1990. It is one of the largest manufacturers of directly molded shoes in Pakistan. Askari Woolen Mills, founded in 1990, produces jerseys, socks, caps, comforters and gloves for the armed forces. It is well known for its supplies of woolen yarn to carpet manufacturers. Askari Real Estate is in operation since 1990 and has developed 4 housing projects, 2 of which are situated in Lahore, 1 in Islamabad and the other one in Peshawar. The major portion of AWT's portfolio value-wise is in cement. AWT owns 2 cement plants, one located at Wah and the other one at Nizampur. Askari Cement Wah is the first dry process plant in Pakistan with the capacity of producing 3,500 tons of clinker per day. It was manufactured by world-renowned cement manufacturers FLS Denmark and was commissioned in 1995. It was then bought by AWT from the Government of Pakistan in 1996 through the privatization process. It is one of the few plants in Pakistan with a railway siding inside the factory. It has the distinction of being the first plant in Pakistan cement industry to acquire ISO 9001 and 14001 environmental certifications. Askari Cement Nizampur has 2 lines with a combined capacity of producing 5,000 tons clinker per day. The plant was designed by Tianjin Cement Design Research Institute, China, and happens to be the first Chinese plant in Pakistan. The plant is also ISO 9001 qualified. Both cement plants produce ordinary Portland cement, which is sold as one brand, that is Askari Cement. Askari Cement is a premium brand in the northern areas of Pakistan, Azad Jammu and Kashmir, and in the cities of central Punjab. The brand is also established in Afghanistan, Tajikistan, and some other Central Asian republics. Some of the major projects of Pakistan like Ghazi Barautha Canal and Powerhouse, Neelam Jehlam Power Project, Malakand 3 Hydro Power Project and Khan Khawar, Alai Khawar and Dubair Khawar dams have been made with Askari Cement. As AWT Cement is the 5th largest group in the cement industry of Pakistan, it has a major role to play in the export market of Afghanistan and the Central Asian republics. Exports to Afghanistan are going through 3 entry points, which are Torkham, Ghulam Khan, and Chaman, whereas Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, and Tajikistan are covered through Afghanistan. With the widening of the Karakoram Highway and its new alignment, another route to the Central Asian republics is opening up through Kashgar in China. Askari cement plants are ideally located to export cement to Afghanistan and the Central Asian republics from all possible routes. In view of its ideal location, excess capacity, excellent quality, and already established brand, Askari Cement would be an ideal partner for expanding cement sales from Pakistan to Central Asian republics.